Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So today's our topic is application in plant tissue culture in the pharmacology subject. This is the topic of fourth semester, B.Pharm fourth semester. So what is the application of plant tissue culture? Extract from the black carrot tissue culture as potent anti-cancer agent, enhance production of tropin alkaloids in the transgenic scopolia, varifolia hair root culture over the expressing persistence and methyl transferase and hyoscine 68 hydroxylase. Texas globulosa as cell lines initiate selection characterization in terms of growth of the bactectin and paclitaxel production. Production of camptothecin in the culture of chemophores and glandifloria. After that, the application, generation in vitro glycoalkaloid production and evaluation of bioactivity of the callus, methanolic extract of Solanum tuberosum, the influence of media composition on alkaloid biosynthesis by the Penicillium citrinum, differential production of tropin alkaloids in hairy root, and in vitro culture to accessions of atropine under the nitrate treatment. Increased vincristine production from the Agrobacterium termiferinin C58, induced shooty tetrameloids and tetramers and canthism fluorescensum roots. Enhancement of texin production in the hairy root culture of texture and endophytic texone production fungus from Texas media, cladosporium, cladosporoids, optimized nutrient medium from cantharamine, production of leucoron astivium. Salinity stress of enhances production of salasodine of Solanum nigrum. Biosynthesis of hyperfolate and hyperfolate from the amino acid precursors in the shoot culture of Hypercurium perforatum. An example like black carrot contains anthocyanin and explant of yellow black shoot carrot were cultured by the murshid and school medium for the callus initiations and were transferred to the new anesthesia. Supplement with 4 different combination of 4-dioxy. The extract applied to human breast adenocarcinomas, human colon adenocarcinoma, 24 prostate human prostate adenocarcinoma, neuro 2A muscles, neuroblastoma, cancer cell lines and vero, American green monkey kidney, normal cell line TTSA. The highest cytotoxin activity was achieved against the neuro cells lines which exhibit viability of 38 to 46% by 6.25 microgram per ml. Concentration of all the calli and neutral extract. However, a significant high IC50 value of 170.13 microgram per ml was attained in the normal cell lines, Vero indicating that its natural counterpart is an ideal candidate for the treatment of brain cancer without causing a negative effect to the normal healthy cell. Then there is a scopolamine. Scopolamine pariphoria, adventitious root were metabolically engineered by the co-expression of the two genes pudrians and methyltransferase PMT is called and hyoscyamine 68 hydroxylase cDNA with the aid of Argobacterium rhizogenes. The transformed root developed into the morphologically distinct parvifora and the parvifora transgenic hair root lines. Consequent the introduction of these key enzymes gene, the production of the alkaloid hyoscyamine scopolamine was enhanced. Among the transgenic hairy root lines, SPMT2 lines possess the highest growth index. The treatment of transgenic hairy roots with the growth regulators further enhance the production of scopolamine. Thus, the result should suggest that the PMT2 and HGF gene may not only involve in the metabolic reaction for regulation of the alkaloid production, but also that these genes may play a role in the root development. Then, of the initial 6 cell lines originating from the explant of the Textus globulosa Mexican U3 were selected for their microbial and oxidation resistance to form leaves and the other form stem internode. A study of their behavior, both in terms of cell growth and bactectin, third and paclitaxel production, was developed in the suspension culture with the initially standardized biomass fresh weight is 0.23 gram per liter using a modified Gombold's B5 medium and an Elictus methyl jasmonate on either the first or the 7th day of the culture at the several level. In the most of the conditions used, the 3 cell lines show the growth associated bactetin third production. The cell lines from the stem internodes was the highest producer of the bactetin third using 1 micrometer in cattle sampling at 10 days. The same lines also had the highest biomass production at 10 days of the culture, but at the higher Elictus concentration of 10 micrometer. All of the 3 cell lines did not produce paclitaxel under the experimental condition used. Columphora, glandiflora, callus culture of Chorus glandiflora vertebrates in the Muraceae age and shoot medium supplemented to the folding. Stem with the bark and callus were used for the phytochemical analysis, mainly the alkaloids. Detection and identification of camptoctin was carried out using thin layer chromatography, high performance thin layer chromatography and high performance liquid chromatography. An important anti-cancer alkaloid, camptoctin, was detected in the ethanolic extract of stem with bark and callus culture. Glandiflora camptoctin content was 0.013 gram per milligram per gram in the stem with the bark and 0.003 mg per gram in callus. The conclusion: this is the first report on the in vivo in vitro production of the camptoctin of C. glandiflora. Camptoctin is known to occur only in the 6 plant sources of alternative source for the camptoctin is needed. Thus, C. glandiflora could be a new promising alternative source of camptoctin. Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum and callus and differentiated shoot initiated from Solanum tuberosum containing BA, IIA, tannin, glycoalkaloids are produced in the callus and shoots. in the concentration higher than the original tubers using HPLC. Callus methanolic extract had promising anti-cancer activity with the low values against the human carcinoma cell lines of breast lymphoplastic leukemia, larynx, liver, serix, colon, and the brain. Antioxidant capacity of the extract 76.4% performed using ESR. Primary screening showed that the extract exhibits in vitro versucidal activity against the herpes simplex. The extract processed in vitro schemidal and fasciolytical activity. So this is the things. The fungus Precitrum produce secondary metabolites, clavulin, ergot alkaloids, and quinine alkaloids in the medium with various carbon and nitrogen source in the presence of iron, copper, zinc additives, mannitol and source are very most favorable for the EA biosynthesis, and the mannitol is most favorable for the QA. Maximum alkaloid production is observed on the urea. Iron, copper additives in the media containing zinc ion stimulated fungal growth but inhibited alkaloid biosynthesis. The production of these secondary metabolites do not depend on the physiological state of the culture, probably due to the constitutive nature of the enzyme involved in the biosynthesis of these substances. Atropa belladonna is another example. Effect of the nitrates concentrates on the production of the 2-tropane alkaloids hyoscine and scopolamine. The growth of aerial part and the root of the two in vitro propagated accessions of Atropa belladonna and hairy root were studied, as hairy root culture are enabled to keep a stable production of alkaloids over a long period of subculturing. They are considered as an interesting option of the study of the alkaloid biosynthesis. A hairy root culture of Atropa belladonna was established by transformation with the Bactrim rhizogenes strain. The result of the study showed that the rise in KNO3 concentration caused a decline in hairy root growth and has a remarkable effect on the alkaloid content. The alkaloid concentration obtained in the medium of hairy root were 2 to 20 times higher than the plant at 35 millimeter of KNO3, increasing the nitrate concentration. The medium of the hair root also improved the hyoscyamine-scopolamine ratio, while it increased the scopolamine and hyoscyamine ratio in the study plant. Then Cantharus roseus, dimeric indole alkaloids are used extensively for the cancer therapy. Argobacterium tumefaciens C58 strain was used for the induction of shooty tetranoma in the Cantharus roseus using epicotyle and stem node explant. Transformed nature of shooty tetramonas were confined by the Napoleon assay. Growth kinetic of shooty tetradioles depicted maximum growth during 21 to 24 days of culture. Dimeric alkaloid vincristine in the transformed culture was present at the concentration of 0.11, that was tenfold higher compared of the transformed control culture. So there is many applications of the tissue plant culture. We we have a lot vast variety of plant tissue cultures example. But that's it all about this topic. This is the application of plant tissue culture. So thank you. If you have any query, just